If you want to know how you can set a timer on the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just swipe up and open the app drawer, and in the app drawer you will find the option of timer. Just tap on it, and as you can see, this is the timer app of the Galaxy Fit 3. Under the recent section, you will find all your recent timers. If it is your first time, this section will be empty. If you swipe up, you will find a few presets of the timers. For an example, you have a preset of 1 minute, 3 minutes, 30 seconds, and much more. Just select the preset which you want to turn on. And once you do that, you will start the timer of the selected preset. Now just tap on pause if you want to pause the timer, and tap on the X icon to close the timer. Now if you want to create a custom timer, just swipe up and tap on the timer icon over here. And from here you can set a custom timer as you like. Just like that. Just set the hour, the minutes, and the second as you like. After that, just tap on the play button to start playing your timer. And this is how you can set a timer on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.